Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Anga Survase. I am coming from ABM, Agriculture Business Management. My topic is emerging trends of retail management. Retail. What is the retail? First of all, we see that the retail is derived from the French word retailer. That means the piece of or the break of the bulk. It's defined as the timely deliver of the goods and services to the consumers in affordable and competitive prices. It simply means that the first-hand transaction to the customers. That it's a manufacturing, wholesaler, retailer and consumers. There is no middleman coming between the retailer and the consumer. I want to ask you few questions for that. Which is the number one retail company in the world? Please raise your hand. Okay, fine. Thank you. Second question is Taupal Sagar is the one of the retailer company related to which of these sectors? Thank you. Next is these are the examples. These are the examples of retailer as you know for that. Next is these are the market shares for the retailer company. The Big Bazaar contains the 42% market share within the retailer. How retailers add the value? We want to see that it's breaking the bulk. That is, it gives the pieces or customer. If customer want any product, they give that much amount of the product. That's the holding inventory. They maintain the stock of the any product that you want, providing the assortment. That's they are giving or offering the services. What you wanted, like the giving. We see the pay after pay, but we see the first product and after pay. These are the ideal for the finance conscious people. Next is these are the trends which first of all the Pani Puri station. Second is this, and now it's coming like that industry. Then we see the impacts of the industry, the economic impacts. First we see the demographic dynamics. About the 60% population is coming out below the 30 years. So the retailer company is very diversified. And double income. As a nucleus family, both husband and wife are doing the services so that the double income is generation. Plastic revolution contains the credit. We pay by the credit, not for the rupees. Urbanization that is placing the rural market or all that concepts are coming here. Technology in retail contains the computer are places in that, and we pay the bill by the computers. Increase the demand of the products. That if the customers life of customers increases, the changing the their life is changes. Then income level is also increases, so that the demand of the product is also increases. It's a social impact. As we see, the first is Haji Mandi, then we are coming into Big Bazaar. Social impact. Retail industry is evergreen. It is increasing day by day. The management training opportunity. As the managers, we are coming the managers. We are opportunities increases. The generates the add-on business. That is it is adjacent to the retailer is also increases. It's demand of the essential commodity, that the food sectors are increases. More and more women are buying due to their convenience. As we see, the food and beverages sectors are covering more, that is 75%. Financial impact. The foreign direct investment. The foreign countries are invest in our country. The consumer price index. As the consumer price index increases, the change by change. Retail development industry. The retail share of the India is increases day by day. In the 2007 is 8 to 10%, 2009 is 12%, and 2010 is 6 to 22%. Marketing impact. It contains the 4 P's of the market: the product, price, place, promotion. Product contains the availability of the products to the consumers.
We're running out of shot.
Okay.
So if you want to
Yeah.
conclude if you want.
The new retail shops are coming, that is ITC experimenting with the retailing Chopal Sagar, like that company, and HUL is using the project like a Shakti. It's for the woman self-development in the rural market. And tomorrow is Saturday and Sunday, and you are going to Big Bazaar or mall shop, so you have nice shopping. Thank you.